Okay, here it is. Foxeer Foxwhoop 25. We've got the analog and the digital version. So this one's for friend, this is mine. So let's take a look at the digital version. Okay, here it comes. Come on, get out of there. Why do they make them so tight? That's what she said. Okay, we leave that for there. Okay, we've got some cyclone props, some antenna tubes. And we've got the mount for, I think it's Insta, because it's visual. It could be GoPro, don't know. Okay. And here is the bad boy. Okay, I think I've got to take the hole out to get him out of there. So, there he is. Looks awesome. I must say, it does have a little weight. I'm gonna put the scale out in just a second. But it's very, very interesting. They are using a full-sized Vista. I thought they're gonna make a naked one. I'm gonna have to install the Crossfire because they didn't ship it with Crossfire when I ordered it. And here we've got the mount for the Insta. I'm really curious if those bumpers I'm gonna hold up. I mean, they are pretty stiff and they've got some kind of strength molded in. But it looks pretty nice. So let's just get the scale. Okay, so here's the scale. Let's put him on. And it comes around 150 grams. It's okay. I think if you consider it, whatever LiPo you're gonna put on there, but still you're gonna be sub 250, and that's what for my purposes is really relevant. So let's take a closer look. I think the mounting these days, more and more companies doing it like the way Gapassi is doing with the Cinelog, or like Home FPV did it with the Home Suit. I really like this style, it saves really a lot of weight, and can't wait to test this bad boy out.